somewhere on the beach, or museums talking history. We're lying on grape shit, rowing at a road to get by. She's got ADHD, she's got everything I need, and we got a million things to do before we die.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is October 4 and today is 7:12 a.m. So, karon mauwi naman tayo nag-post na mag-brown out daw. So, mao na maglaag ta. Pero karon busy man si Dave. So, dili si Dave hong kuyog karon. Makakita ra mo guys at minsan akong kauban. So, yes, manakog andam guys. Then, mag-chinlas ako. So, yes guys, una to din. I have my water here. Magpaano dito siya, may kalag-lag dito siya. Hindi man sa kalag. School. Wala o tali. Yun na siya guys. Wow! Ibaligyan ni no.
I'm a shy deer in the headlights. She's coming over and I'm just standing there like it's like a riptide on the inside. Keep it together, man, you could drown in these blue eyes. She said, hey you, isn't it funny how we always seem to meet at every place in town? Yeah, I must be lucky. I replied, you can't take me high. Maybe I just wanna see ya. I go anywhere if you be there. Feels like I can fly. Think I'm gonna break the ceiling. I just wanna keep this feeling. You can't take me. Baby, you can take me. It's a small world in a big town. What are the odds I get to talk to you?
First pa na mo pero gihanap na ko. Oh my god. Muna kay labong mag-diet, di mag-diet. Nalami man kayong pagkaon di. Mag-jogging lagi pero ni human kay
When I first saw you stand Sana siguro ato na ko. Ani? Oh. Na. Abita siyang chinilas, guys. Kapit na. Kapit na. Ay. Ah! Uy, mas light ka ha? Ayaw, hoy, kasag. Basta ka ito sa ubos. Kung ito. Grabe, soup na siya kaayo.
Way back when,
Period.
before the grown-up phase, we're one best friend. It was easy going roll. Life was anything but fair, but somehow we didn't care. Way back then, we saw all the movies on a big screen when we couldn't afford to pay the price. We snuck in through the back, hearts racing as the lights went black.
destination is
Come check, it's 11.5 changes. Down to the last call. Go! My God, ako nasunod. Ako sunod guys, mamamba ko di. Mamamba ko di. Mamamba ko. Okay. Hello guys, so nice. Struggle is real. Uy, buho na ba na ha? Gusto mo lipat ka? Buho din na? Oo. Ay, ako niagyan na. Iyan hanap ako. Nagyan bak na, kadula na, grabe.
I could do the same 51st dates if they all went like this. Coffee in the car, sushi under stars, running around the streets like kids.
Cause you make me wanna cancel all of my plans. It's a sunny day when you're with me. I don't care where we land.
360, spinning me around, tell me how you want it. On repeat, can we go again? Kiss me on the concrete. 360, wanna play it back from the beginning.
Saka na, sige pa, saka. Saka po. Hindi na ko muna para di mabasa ang gyanan, na, sige. Na. O, diba? Masaya, dara. Hindi siya motor na ako makapungot.
Every time we touch, colors start to rush up and down the borderline. Just want this to last, hope you say it back. I don't wanna say goodnight.
Cause you make me wanna cancel all of my plans. It's a sunny day when you're with me. I don't care where we land. Oh,
360, spinning me around, tell me how you want it. On repeat, can we go again? Kiss me on the concrete. 360, wanna play it back from the beginning. Let's do it again.
every little moment playing back inside of my head.
Let's do it again. In a good cycle, we don't have to know how it ends.
Aray ko. Ayan na siya na. Ba, kanin doha kani. Yung na siya na. Sige, kanay na ah. Yawa lagi na. Dali ako kasi nakapagalo na.
I would sail out, take every brother and sister of mine. We'd roll in the sunshine and sleep when it's dark.